Like
yeah,
a message
so like
board?
you guys could also plan events, you know, boom. And then you can on that, you can then
Ooh, look at
decide
that.
how many people. Oh, that's pretty down there.
Yep.
That is pretty. And his helmet was bashed in. And the only could remember was that he was married.
I'm gonna stand back a little bit so I can record you guys while you guys are walking. It's almost like a drone shot, basically.
Oh, wow.
not really a drone. This is how the old drones used to be like.
Can you circle around us?
Yeah,
like a
like
real
this.
drone.
Just like how a real drone would be like. But you guys have to pretend like it's not really going around.
I'm just following the red, you know.
Okay. Yeah, we're following on thing. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
I mean, we're on the trail, so as long as it has a beginning and end, we'll be fine.
That's good too. I just wanted to, you know, because this might go and take us to Riverside. Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah. Looks like it's gonna have some nice views of the lake.
Yeah.
Nice bike trail.
Mhm.
Yeah, this would be a good one to do a little bike thing on. Oh, look at there's a whole bunch of ducks down there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at the water. It looks so nice.
Yeah.
Look at all those ducks. So pretty.
These look like black ducks.
Not very dangerous. He's gonna peck.
Yep. They look like. Oh, there's another one flying.
Oh yeah, there's a black and white one there.
Yeah, they're probably red-headed woodpeckers. They look
Wow.
like they're red-headed. There's 3 or 4 of them up here.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous.
The black and white really
Yeah, we're good. Yeah.
I mean, if you have to survive, you probably will eat meat, right?
I would. Yeah. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, the bird up there. It's sitting on wood.
Oh yeah. It's a nice place for them to stay.
So much better. Down there.
Yeah.
They probably have come down from someplace else.
Yeah, maybe they're coming from Canada and then,
Yeah.
you know, they're gonna make their way down south when it becomes wintertime.
Oh,
It looks like there's a forest, like the leaves are just trying to break the surface, basically. Oh wow. And it didn't get scared, did it?
It ran away. I wish I had. You didn't bring your binoculars.
I'll do a video. Almost like a little cave here.
That tree's got to have been there a good while. One bucket of balls, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we pick it up. Isn't it beautiful? All those birds.
Wow, look at that.
Need to bring my radio here. Yeah, okay.
Look at all those
I'm
ducks.
gonna take a short video of you guys at this same area. But it's migrating from somewhere.
This lake is pretty long. There's a large area way over
Yeah, it
there.
goes south this way, then down that way. We have worked hard today.
Yep. Look at this nice bridge.
Silverwood Lake, Serrano Beach.
the end.
Okay, this
No?
is at the end. We have to keep going. My gosh.
Oh.
That's
nice
too
view.
far. I can't hit that with a driver.
That's pretty far.
It's very nice, but it'd be kind of fun to be doing this at near sunset.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Sunset would be beautiful here.
If you did that, you'd want to tell everybody to have a headlamp.
Yeah, it looks so nice out there.
It's so pretty out there. It's all
Mhm. Yeah, the sun is even like, it's almost becoming the golden hour. What time is it right now? Look at it, it's like a cliff basically. Right here. Looks like there was some sort of slide over here many years ago.
Oh, look at those birds out on the rock over there.
Yeah, I know. It's really nice.
Yeah,
They're just like,
those are just as covered with that.
they look like